Hey guys, welcome back. Nico here again. It's the carnival fireworks. I can't see. I thought they would do it like Saturday or something. I don't know. This is from my channel. It's cool. I always like that last part.
Go hard.
Yeah. We never saw that when we were in Phoenix for 4th of July. Yeah, we never saw that one. They just did it cheap.
Yeah, look at all that smoke right there. You're cold? Camera's missing out on all the fireworks.
Trying to focus. Focus. There we go.
Where's Kate is at?
He's in his house.
Uh-oh, is that it? Oh, never mind, there's one more. Oh, yay.
Cletus!
Oh, there's stars out. It's not very cloudy.
Look up, he's in his house right there.
Oh, he's behind his house, I
No,
think.
he's in his house. First of all, when I heard the fireworks, it sounded like now knocking on Andy's window.
Not really. I wonder if they have new rides on their Facebook page. I didn't see any.
I know there's still the freak out.
Of course, they just added that last year.
Oh, I like the ring of fire. That one kind of scares me a little.
Haha, scared.
But I like
the edge, you can see that.
No, probably not. She's probably still at Honda. She gets off in about an hour.
Huh?
She gets off in about an hour, I'd say.
No, she's already off.
Oh, what time does she get off?
7.
Oh. I wonder where she's at there.
she's probably already almost home.
She is in Pine Top getting toilet paper,
Oh.
milk,
Sorry, guys.
oven cleaner,
Oh.
and she's gonna bring them people back for you
Oh, yay.
from El Rancho.
Yes. See, if you guys can't see that.
She said she could go to like the seaside, but I told her that's too far, right?
Yeah.
And go over there, too late.
Right there. Stupid focus. Okay. That's the Ferris wheel, Ring of Fire. That's the Vertigo. I know.
You can look up and you can hear Cletus whining. See?
Probably getting mad.
Or scared.
In Phoenix, they had loud ones. Really decent sized loud
Tito's.
ones.
Cletus.
Hey, Tito's.
It's cool. And I need the bathroom.
Yeah, he's scared.
When you catch a lion, it's gonna sound a little bit louder than that.
I was watching some
Videos.
gun videos. This is from my channel. I think the time might run out pretty soon.
I want to hear that. I want to hear those that go walk
I know, huh?
Those are good.
right here at the end.
Yeah. So if you guys can't see, it's that red spot right there where they're setting it off. Because right here is the fairgrounds, and up here is like the little slope
There
or
you
something.
go.
And then they fire it off on that slope right there. And that's
Hey, did you see that one? That one that just went off? Got all that right there. Right there. And it's that.
This year I don't really feel like going. Because on Sunday, me and Auntie and go down to Phoenix and get my laptop.
Yeah.
Because if we go down Monday, that's Labor Day and
We don't have
everything.
school on that day.
It's just gonna be me and her. It's gonna be going down. Maybe Brendan if he comes.
Yeah. Whoa. Dang, look at all that
That
smoke.
is it.
Yep.
Wait, they're getting ready. The final.
The finale.
Finale.
The final.
The finale.
Yeah, huh? There we
See?
go.
I like fireworks.
I like Sholos a little bit better. They just go.
Yeah, they shoot them all
All
up.
the camels are going crazy up there.
Yeah.
They're yelling away.
Oh, let's sell the Ferris wheel. I thought they wouldn't have it.
I think they're gonna fire a little bit more. Wait.
7 minutes. And this is 720p video, so it's not gonna take as long as 1080p because sucky upload
Mike,
speeds.
what'd you do with the muscat that was right in here?
I never saw it right there.
Go look for it.
It doesn't go away by itself. Cameron said he didn't bother, and the song's not gonna bother.
Heck
I know,
no.
I don't.
You bother everything.
Not mesh traps.
Well, I guess that's it for you guys then. And sorry it's a late post. It's 9/11. Yeah, it's a scary ass number. But yeah, that is the fireworks, and today is only the first night it's been open too. So hope you guys enjoy. Like the video if you really did like it. Subscribe if you want to see some more. Even though I am still in school, hey, there's a widow. I will be trying to do daily uploads as much as I can. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Maybe one of these days I'll give you a tour of the whole thing. So goodbye. I need to take a leak.